This seagull is done with everyone's shit. He's just laying there, waiting till he can go home, because he's just done. He is done. He's like, fuck this. I'm here. Oh. Now he's getting confused.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, the bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird.
The bird was slowly approaching, but then he noticed that the human took out the camera. He's now waiting until he can make his approach. What will he catch? Oh, he's walking away. He's walking different. Oh, never mind. Okay, that's rude. Oh, okay. This man has turned into the king seagull. Here you see him, the king in his natural habitat. What is he doing? Are they gonna get him? Hello. They're like, excuse me, sir. Give me that fruit you have in your bag. And that sir's like, oh, yep, there he's going. Whoa, look at that. Look at that guy. I'm very glad he's taking them away from me, though. Oh, that's a fight there. This bird is so done that he's just like, I don't have any legs anymore. That person has legs, but the bird doesn't care. The bird has noticed me filming it. Oh, sorry, bird. Sorry. This bird has just realized that I have finished my food and is now coming here to look if I have left something unattended. I have not, actually. The bird is very disappointed. This bird is just cleaning himself after a long day at work, doing nothing. This particular bird is right on top of the world. He's also cleaning like a dog. It's very cute. But he doesn't care. He's just watching his friends fly by, because that's how he does it. He is a Maine bird. Oh, and he's going. Now there's a different Maine bird. This is confusing. You all be different. You can't pretty. Look at you go. Look at them both. Oh, someone's annoying you now. Okay, bye. These birds here are perfect examples of what it feels like to be left out. They are the strongest bird species in every single big city, except in Brighton. In Brighton, the seagulls have taken over, and here they are plotting their revenge. It's pigeons, if you haven't noticed it. These pigeons. Yeah. These birds are watching over their paradise. This is their land, and they know it. They're watching everyone go, oh, no. This bird is turbo. Just not right now. No, now he's very rigid. But normally, he is a turbo bird.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.